Hey guys, I am on with a unique, I don't do this very often, AliExpress KS Craft haul. But before I start, I wanted to announce my little hidden giveaway of somebody won, very small giveaway, this Scout Fall Samples that I got free on, and I got more than one of this one. Now, somebody said, oh, they're for making bags. And somebody else asked, and I apologize, I wasn't near this, so I didn't want to go upstairs. And I said, I don't think there's an email on the back. Well, there is. Neworder.com Scout Bags. The fun doesn't have to end here. So there you go. But, drum roll. Brrr, Kathy Ude, I hope that's right. 9457. You are my winner of this little giveaway, and I will leave my email in the description box, and if you send me your address, email me your address, I will get it out to you. So there you go, kind of fun. Why not? Had the crafty girls, so I worked on just coloring. I didn't get much done, but we had fun. And this is the Sweet Miss Daisy Santa new set. They're like, Christmas already? I just got it, I'm telling you. And it's Christmas in July. Hello. Anyway, so there's this and this one. I think they turned out super cute. I was happy with my coloring on those. Sorry, I go so fast sometimes. Oh, so pretty. I will add sentiments and whatnots later. And I can do this. All thumbs. Okay. And then I colored up the Gingy Girl, and I stamped this out too. I don't like how I stamped it out. I like how I colored it, but I'm going to fussy cut her out because all this stuff around didn't turn out good. Anywho, but isn't she cute? Oh my gosh. So then next is to color that. And this one is called, I don't know if it's still on her site or not, Fresh Baked. So yeah. I think she turned out. And I did it with my tri-blends is how I color most of my stuff when I do that. Okay, let's get into the KS Craft. She's got Halloween. Some of this is her new line and some of it's from older. Anyway, you can't clip and copy hers and print it up. She's smart. So I got these ghost bows. So anyway, that's why it's on big paper instead of the little that I do with Timu. You could only print it. Aren't they cute? Look at the little ghosty hanging out there. So there's the inspiration picture, and then there's this one. I don't remember what I paid, but you can go. I don't know if she's on, if these are on Amazon yet or not, but I got them off Ali, so. I like KS Craft stuff. I like everything. It's terrible. It's bad. Okay, then I thought this was unique. So these are little chains and things because there's charms coming up. And I thought, well, that's kind of cool. So here's what they would look like. To hang your handmade dangles and things. Obviously, they're not real chains, so no, you're not going to do anything heavy, but anything you made with paper would be good. I thought that was kind of cool. Oh, I got it. Know that I got our whole line. I don't remember. This one is Penance. And, oh my gosh, super cute. Pick Your Poison. And Boo. And I don't know if it has Boo and Spooky in there. I don't think it has the, yeah, an outline, but not the Pick Your Poison. Trick or treat. But cute. Hello. Okay. And then, but wait. This one's called Cookies. Halloween Cookies, guys. This next one, if I can get this in here. Sorry. Fiddle, fiddle. Okay. So you get the outline of each little guy. And I'll be putting these on my magnets, so. And packaging later. Oh my gosh, check them out. So there's a little skeleton, a witch hat, the bat, the ghost, and the spider web. So yeah, I do not design for her. If you order, go through and order through Jenn. Strawberry Cream 39. She has an affiliate account with her, so she does shares of her. So give her some love. Okay, I'll leave her channel below. Then I got this. Looks so cute. It's this big. It's not giant, but anyway, it's a dog mini album. I'm with the doggies in my life. I thought that'd be fun, and it's a lab, obviously, but you know, it could be a German Shepherd, right? Anyway, thought that was cute. Okay. Then I got these. These are the banners, and it comes with treats and candy, the words. And here's the samples. So, super cute. Take this to my trailer. Or you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take all this to Margaret's. I'm going to be there for a week. We're like, what are we going to do? What are you going to do for a week? I said, I don't know. We'll figure it out. So I may not be on much next week because I'll be at her house. Not that I can't film there, but I don't know. I'll be hopefully not busy. Hopefully she does just fine and she's walking around right away. That would be our hope. So this is the cocoa packet. This is not new, but I like anything you can put stuff in, right? Not just cocoa packets, I don't think you have to do. So here's more samples. Sorry. Cute. There we go. And here it is. So look at you get. Oh, you get the marshmallows. Okay, I didn't think you did. And the presents. Cute. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just too cute. Had to have it. Okay, and then I got this little. It makes a little bag. I think Jen has sampled what she's made with it, maybe? I don't know yet. And then this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it says you get the things. No tricks. Trick or treat. You get little words in there. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Is it? And you get a treat for your feet? Okay. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me a trigger. I don't know. A treat for your feet. Yes. That's weird. Okay. Guess lotion. See how they did the dangle thing. Isn't that cute? One of the gals was all excited because she used up a packet of paper. And I'm like, she goes, I'm getting lower on my paper. I'm like, oh my God. I won't let them upstairs or my garage. I go, oh, wow. I need to be more like you, Roxanne. Anyway, so there's these bat bows. I just thought these were adorbs. He had me at bows, right? So there's the... And then here's why I had to have the chain, because like here's the charms. So you get all these charms, which I'll definitely need to... Look at this. Loaded with these charms. I'm sorry, I don't remember prices. But you can look it up yourself, right? Go to KS Crafts. Oh, yeah, it printed funny. One must have gotten stuck. So there we go. There's that. Aren't they cute? Cute, creepy, all the things. So there you go. And I'll put that back in later. Don't forget, Kathy Yude. You're the big winner. Nothing exciting, but fun. All right, you guys. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.